Hi, this is John on behalf of Expert Village. In this video clip, we'll be checking our stock for square. Now, when checking end grain for square, we're going to take a tri-square and place it against the edge of our stock and the end of our stock. And we're going to look along this edge, and if we see any light coming through, or in this case, paper behind it, if we see any color coming through, that means it's not square. Now on another piece of stock, when I test it for square and I put my tri-square on, I see a thin black line on one edge, but this edge is totally flat. This tells me that my end is not perfectly square. What I would do then is take my tri-square and draw a line right on the edge, and I can see that there's a little bit more lumber here than there is here. Then I would want to clamp it and use my block plane and plane that down to my line.